boss is back. Welcome back, family. Thank you so much for all of your support.
Tired of waiting, got tired of the chase. I've been feeling like lately there's nothing in the way.
Guys, I am so excited about this video because I am going to review one of the most expensive bags in the world, Hermes Birkin bag, sent to me by Tight Locker. Let's get started. This is the replica. A portion of this video is sponsored. Hey family, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new, my name is Linda / the boss. I am so glad to have you here. Please don't forget to like this video, share with your friends and your family. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the bell icon for every time the boss upload a new video. Today's video, I will be giving you more decorating ideas for fall 2022 for your living room. I hope you enjoy. But I am going to unbox this beauty right here sent to me by a company. A big thank you to this company for sponsoring a portion of this video. Okay family, this is what the company sent to me. In this video, I am going to review one of the most expensive bags in this world. As you guys already know, the Birkin bag. This is the most expensive bag in the world. Okay, but in this video, I am going to review a replica Hermes bag. Guys, I love this handbag so much. As you can see, Adam came in very well packaged. They even sent me a pair of earrings, Balenciaga, one of my favorite brands. Guys, to be honest with you, I own several luxury designer handbags like Christian Dior, which is one of my favorite designer brands all the time, Balenciaga, Chanel, my favorite brands ever. I don't really like LV, but I have a black one from the limited edition collection, and Valentino, but Gucci is not my favorite brand. But today I am going to review a replica Hermes Birkin bag, one of the most expensive bags in the world. As you guys know, I think every woman dreams of having a Birkin bag. Guys, like I said, I don't own any Hermes bag, so I can't tell you any difference. But you can see the company is focusing on the quality of the material they are using. They all really want you to feel the luxury of when you are carrying this Birkin bag. This is my first time touching a Birkin bag. I really love this bag. High quality material, you can feel it. Like I said, I don't own the original one, but I don't think there was that much difference between the original and the replica. This company did such a wonderful job from packaging to every little detail you can think of. You can say this is a luxury handbag. Since I can afford the original Birkin bag, I decided to review the replica one. I chose to review this one instead of other brand that I already own. By the way, they also sent me a pair of Balenciaga earrings, which is one of my favorite brands. You guys, everything is very well packaged. On their website, they have several different luxury brands that you can think of. The link will be in the description box below with the discount code UseLinda10 to save 10% off on anything you order from their website. The company really wants you to see the quality of the product. They have a deal for you when you order from the website. If you guys are really interested, just leave a comment in the comment section. I will select 3 lucky fans who will receive a free hat, scarf, or a pair of sunglasses if you place an order from the website. Guys, they also have earrings, shoes, I mean like everything. Like I said, I'd never owned a replica designer handbag before. This is my first one. I love my Birkin bag. It feels so good and looks beyond beautiful. I love the material. As a matter of fact, I look expensive. I smell of Dubai, the country of gold and rich people. If I want to get a replica, I will always get a Birkin bag because this is one of my favorites. Since I'm not there yet to get the original Hermes bag, I will get a replica one for now, but not other designer brand like Balenciaga, Christian Dior, Chanel, Versace, or Valentino. By the way, they have them all on their website. The Birkin bag is so gorgeous, and I'm pretty sure anything you order from the website will be beautiful. The products are made with high quality material. Check the description box for the link in your description discount code, use Linda10 to save 10% off. A big thank you to Tide Locker for sponsoring a portion of this video. Thank you so much for this beautiful Birkin bag. I am going to enjoy it. Thank you so much. I love the quality. Absolutely beautiful. Guys, check the description box for the link to get yours today. They have several different styles you can choose from. Who doesn't love luxury for less? Hermes Birkin bag. Guys, check the description box for the link in your discount code by using Linda10 to save 10% off on your order. Like I said, they have different style, different design for you to choose from, like Balenciaga, Christian Dior, tons you can choose from. Guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. A big thank you to Tide Locker for sponsoring a portion of this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Now keep on watching. I am going to decorate our formal living room for fall 2022. More decorating ideas. I hope you enjoy.
Keep on going. We got good things coming our way.
Coucou la famille, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Je me présente, mon nom est Linda /le patron. Si c'est votre première fois ici, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner, liker, partager et d'activer la cloche de notification pour ne pas manquer aucune de mes vidéos et de me laisser un petit commentaire. Merci beaucoup pour votre soutien affectueux. À la prochaine. Bonjour, bonsoir amis, famille, moi, comment nous y. Si c'est la première fois tomber sur channel ça, moi c'est Linda et m'a dit bienvenue. Sur channel ça, me poster en pile idée déco. Moi t'as remis pour faire partie de famille là, s'il te plaît pas oublier abonner, partager, quitter un petit message pour moi. Merci en pile pour support. N'a pas voir dans le prochain épisode encore. C'était amis Linda /the boss. Tant pour pas oublier partager avec amis et famille.
Lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right. Lost in the shadows of a million stars. Shouldn't they enlighten my near and far? Shouldn't they at all just tell me where you are? Send a prayer if I'm out of luck. Send a little love and I'll make it back. Send me a letter and a bottle of wine, telling me I will be fine. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Halfway heart.
Like I always said, you might like it, love it, or hate it. Please let me know in the comment down. For some of you, it might be too much or too simple. Thank you so much for stopping by. Your home is your happy place. It should be welcoming and relaxing. Design it to your liking. Design by the boss. Home Decor 2022. Let the design flow.
Count on my company and I will come. Save me when I am falling. Save me when I am falling. Save my love could be so hard. I grew up without a scar, just living my life with no big worries. And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself much less happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day a life so amazing, not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right.
Thank you so much for watching. See you next time in my next one. Bye, ciao, tata, au revoir, à la prochaine. Mali, peace out, au revoir, adios, bye, à bientôt.
I wanna stay wide open. Can't stand to hear more today. I'm gonna lock my door and stay inside, away until I'm safe.